Welcome to Cooking with the Permaweb. Today we're going to do a hello world using a command line interface. Command line interfaces are my favorite way to create things quickly as a developer. So today we're going to use the command line to publish some content to the Permaweb. To get started, you'll need Node.js or greater and a console. So what we're going to do is just use a console out of Visual Studio Code, and we're going to jump in. First thing we'll do is make a directory called Hello World Permaweb -1, and we'll cd into that directory. And then we're going to just npm init y, which will just create a little npm project for us. And we're going to install a couple of packages. One is Rweave. Rweave is kind of like the core SDK of the Permaweb in JavaScript and TypeScript. And then Bundler Network Client. And Bundler Network Client is an SDK or a library, SDK, and a command line that we can use to um, publish files onto the Permaweb. So let's do that. npm install Rweave and Bundler Network Client. And then what we're going to do is we're going to generate a wallet programmatically. So we're going to run the node evaluate mode and basically use the Rweave package to generate a wallet. And then we're going to stringify that wallet and print it out to the console, which will then write it to wallet.json. So let's hit enter there. And if everything works, we've got a wallet JSON, and we can take a look at that wallet JSON, and you'll see it's a public key and a private key RSA in a JSON web key format. Cool. So the next thing we want to do is create a web page, an index.html file on the command line. So we're just going to use echo and write hello Permaweb. Very creative. And then we're going to pipe that into index.html. Oh yeah, it doesn't like the exclamation point there. So we'll do echo hello Permaweb. And then we'll just write that into index.html. Clear and list. Okay, so we have index.html, we have our wallet JSON, and now we are ready to upload this file to Rweave. So we're going to use npx to run the bundler CLI command, and we want to upload the index.html file. And we're going to use Rweave as our currency, and we want to use the bundler node 2. Bundler network is a service that allows you to bundle files and push them onto Rweave as one bundle. and it's highly performant, and it works with multiple currencies. So if you go to bundler.network, you can find out more about it. But in this case, we're just really wanting to use it to upload data from the command line. So we want to upload this index HTML file, and we want to use Arweave as a currency. And the nice thing about Bundler Network is they have provided anything smaller than 100K you can upload without a fee. So that's pretty cool. So we should be able to do that because our index.html file is below 100K. And then we've got our wallet JSON. So let's give it a try. Cool. It says that we're done. Let's copy this link and paste it up here. And there we go. We have our HTML file on the Permaweb. Pretty cool.